Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani in one place has written, to make any fun of any prophet is kufr. To make fun of any prophet is kufr. And he used to laugh so much at Isa alayhi salatu wassalam, and he said that when his own son says, when Mirza Qadiani, when he used to talk about Isa alayhi salam, he would laugh at him so much so that if anybody came, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, his son says, page 291, volume 3. मियाँ इमामुद्दीन साहब से ख्वानी ने मुझसे बयान किया कि हज़रत मसीह मौऊद अलैहिस्सलाम अक्सर फरमाया करते थे बकौल हमारे मुखालफीन कि जब मसीह आएगा और लोग उसको मिलने के लिए उसके घर पर जाएंगे तो घर वाले कहेंगे कि मसीह साहब बाहर जंगल में सूर मारने गए हुए। फिर वो लोग हैरान होकर कहेंगे कि ये कैसा मसीह है कि लोगों की हिदायत के लिए आया है और बाहर सूरों का शिकार खेलता फिरता है। फिर फरमाते थे कि ऐसे शख्स की आमद से तो सांसियों और गंडेलों को खुशी हो सकती है जो इस किस्म का काम करते हैं, मुसलमानों को कैसे खुशी हो सकती है। ये अल्फाज बयान करके आप बहुत हंसते थे, यहाँ तक कि अक्सर औकात आपकी आंखों में पानी आ जाता था। His own son says that one of his Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani's close disciples said to him that often Mirza Sahab, he used to talk about Isa alayhi salam and say that our enemies, the Muslims, the Sunnis, and they think that the real Messiah, when he will come and people will come to visit him in his house, they will ask him, where is he? His family will say he's gone to kill pigs. And he goes, such a Messiah, such a Messiah can't be any good. And only, how can he possibly come to guide people? And he goes, at the coming of such a Messiah, only the bad people can be happy. And he would make so much fun at this aspect. He would laugh so much that water used to flow down his cheeks. Laughing at a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so much so, making fun of it. He used to make fun of the hadith of Rasulullah, make fun of Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said finally, وَيُفِيدُ الْمَالِ حَتَّى لَا يَقْبَلُهُ أَحَدٌ. Wealth will become so abundant that nobody will accept it. And page 118, volume 17, Mirza said, you have to take it literally, otherwise you're behaving like a Jew. You have to take it literally. That is what the Prophet said, that is what he meant, that wealth will become so abundant, nobody will want it. But had Mirza been the promised Messiah, he would have distributed wealth. Nobody would want wealth anymore. But Mirza Qadiani began his career by demanding money, and even just before he died, somebody said to him, when Isa alayhi salam comes, he will come on the minaret, but you haven't come down on a minaret, you were born. He goes, okay, let's build a minaret. And he goes, everybody please give me money, I want to build a minaret. And he called it Minaratul Masih, the minaret of the Messiah. And he collected so much money to build the minaret. 26th of May 1908, he died and went to Jahannam. And the minaret wasn't completed till 1916. So the minaret, Isa alayhi salam will come on the minaret, and this minaret didn't get completed, and Mirza Qadiani didn't even have a chance to go up the minaret. Isa alayhi salam was going to come down, he was building to go up it, and then come down. And then he made so much money out of these issues, he could have built many minarets, but he didn't even build one. So Mirza Qadiani was a liar through and through. So people should think, it's been 100 years.